Hey guys, just want to show you this automatic cupping device that I purchased from Amazon. And this is really nice because it has multiple function and it comes with a rechargeable battery. So you don't have to worry about getting burned accidentally with fire that you put it into a regular cupping device. And also I like that this thing comes with temperature control and power control, so you can pick the most comfortable setting for you. If you look at the top, you have 4 switches. The first switch that you have is the switch mode buttons. This is going to allow you to turn on the device and also to switch from regular compression to a massage function. And then you have your power button. This thing have 12 different levels. You have your release button and your temperature controls. You can put this thing on by yourself. You can actually put it in your lower back or your upper back. As long as you can reach it, you should be able to apply this onto your skin. And what I like about this is the release function actually have this little bump right here. So if you need to stop the device for any reason, you can simply feel that bump and press that. Okay, so to turn this thing on, all you need to do is press the switch mode button for about 1.5 seconds. And you can see now it is turned on, and of course it's trying to do a suction right now, that's why it's running. The mode button, you have your 2 options. You can have your 2 lines. The 2 lines, basically the pulse action, kind of like give you that massage feeling, and the 1 line is just the full compression option. You also have your power level right here. The power level is default to 3, but you can increase it to 12. And of course, the release button is going to stop the device right away. And you also have the temperature button here that's going to allow you to select the heat level. And you have up to 12 level here as well. And if you look under, you'll have the red light, and that's also going to give you heat intensity. And I like that they give you different size of cups. So you have this regular cup. This is good for large muscle areas like your back. And then it comes with a smaller cup. So this thing, you can use this for your arm, and also you can use this as a moving massage. So you can put an oil in your body area and then you can actually move it. And then this last one right here is the press cup. So basically for this one to work, you need to press this really hard into your skin before you can get a suction. It gives you extra foams for your cups, so you can replace it if you need to. It also comes with 2 USB cable for charging. So if you want to do cupping therapy to yourself or to your loved ones at home, I highly recommend this product.